Thank you for watching this week's episode of our Thirukkural series. We hope you found the first chapter's verses and explanations insightful and inspiring. Welcome to the Thirukkural series, where we explore the ancient wisdom and philosophy of the Tamil poet Thiruvalluvvar. In this episode, we will discuss chapter 2 of Thirukkural, which is all about the glory of rain. The ninth song of this chapter emphasizes the importance of rain in fostering charitable acts and penance. Thiruvalluvvar states that if the clouds do not pour rain, charity and penance will cease to exist. Thirukkural speaks to the interconnectedness of all things and how even the slightest change in one aspect of life can ripple effect on the rest. The lack of rain can cause not only physical suffering but also spiritual deprivation. It is a reminder that we are all part of a larger ecosystem, and our actions can impact ourselves and those around us. By recognizing the importance of rain, we can appreciate the significance of all forms of life and work towards preserving and protecting them. That's all for this episode of the Thirukkural series. Join us next time as we continue to explore the timeless wisdom of Thiruvalluvvar. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more Thirukkural insights.